Ever feel like kitchen gadgets either cost a fortune or don't work at all? There's a better way. Today, we're checking out the top 20 budget kitchen gadgets from Amazon that are surprisingly good, affordable tools that actually make cooking, prepping, and cleaning easier. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a list of gadgets that prove great kitchen gear doesn't have to be expensive. Number 1. 1100 watts 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender Set. The 1100 watts 5-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender Set is a versatile kitchen essential for smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Featuring powerful motor performance and multiple attachments, it handles blending, whisking, chopping, and pureeing with ease. Ergonomic and easy to clean, this blender ensures precision and efficiency for everyday cooking. Its durable construction and compact design make it ideal for small kitchens, home chefs, and culinary enthusiasts seeking speed, convenience, and professional quality results. Number 2. Titanium Double-Sided Kitchen Cutting Board. Upgrade your food prep with the titanium double-sided kitchen cutting board. Each side is optimized for different tasks, one for vegetables and fruits, the other for meats, helping prevent cross-contamination. Made from durable, non-porous materials, it resists scratches and stains while ensuring easy cleaning. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's perfect for small and large kitchens alike. Designed for longevity, this board combines safety, functionality, and style to enhance your culinary workflow. Number 3. Circle Joy Gravity Electric Grinder Set with LED Light. The Circle Joy Gravity Electric Grinder Set combines convenience, power, and precision. Featuring an intuitive gravity-activated design and built-in LED light, it allows easy, even grinding for spices, coffee, or herbs. Rechargeable and compact, it's perfect for home kitchens, camping trips, or gourmet cooking. With durable construction and easy-to-clean materials, this electric grinder set ensures consistent performance while adding a touch of modern sophistication to everyday culinary tasks. Number 4. Premium Stainless Steel Paper Towel Holder with Base. The premium stainless steel paper towel holder with base adds both style and practicality to any kitchen. Its weighted, non-slip base provides stability during use, while the sleek stainless steel design resists rust and complements modern decor. Ideal for holding standard or jumbo rolls, it simplifies cleaning and keeps towels accessible. Perfect for kitchens, dining rooms, or workspaces. This durable, elegant holder combines convenience, organization, and a polished look. Number 5. Zulay Powerful Handheld Milk Frother and Drink Mixer. The Zulay Powerful Handheld Milk Frother and Drink Mixer is perfect for coffee, lattes, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, or protein shakes. With a high-speed motor and stainless steel whisk, it creates creamy froth and smooth beverages in seconds. Lightweight and portable, it fits comfortably in hand and operates on batteries for on-the-go use. Durable and easy to clean, this frother elevates daily drinks, offering barista-quality results in the comfort of your home or office. Number 6. Cisily Stainless Steel Sink Caddy Organizer Rack. The Cisily Stainless Steel Sink Caddy Organizer Rack keeps sponges, brushes, and soap neatly organized. Its rust-resistant stainless steel construction ensures durability and long-lasting use, while a compact design fits most sinks. Water drains efficiently, preventing mess and bacteria buildup. Perfect for kitchens or bathrooms, this caddy combines functionality, hygiene, and convenience. Enhance your workspace with a stylish and practical solution that simplifies cleaning and storage while maintaining a tidy environment. Number 7. Snow-Clad Double-Sided Stainless Steel Cutting Board. The Snow-Clad Double-Sided Stainless Steel Cutting Board is ideal for safe and efficient food preparation. One side is dedicated to fruits and vegetables, while the other accommodates meats, reducing cross-contamination. Rust-resistant and durable, it withstands heavy use while remaining easy to clean. Its non-slip design ensures stability, making chopping, slicing, and dicing safer and more precise. This board is perfect for home chefs seeking a professional-quality, long-lasting kitchen tool. Number 8. KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-Sided Meat Tenderizer. The KitchenAid Gourmet Multi-Sided Meat Tenderizer is a versatile tool for preparing steaks, chicken, and pork. With multiple textured surfaces, it softens meat evenly for faster marinating and juicier results. Ergonomic handle and durable stainless steel construction provide comfort and long-term use. Ideal for home cooks or professional kitchens, this tenderizer saves time and enhances flavor while delivering consistent, restaurant-quality results. A must-have for anyone seeking precision and efficiency in meat preparation. Number 9. Aroma 6-Cup One-Touch Rice Cooker, ARC363NG. The Aroma 6-Cup One-Touch Rice Cooker offers easy and efficient cooking for rice, grains, and even steaming vegetables. Its one-touch operation ensures consistent results every time. Non-stick inner pot allows effortless cleaning, while the compact design fits any kitchen counter. Automatic keep warm function maintains rice temperature without overcooking. Perfect for small families, dorms, or meal prep enthusiasts. This reliable cooker combines simplicity, convenience, and high-quality performance in one compact appliance. Number 10. Joy Jolt 24-piece glass food storage container set. The Joy Jolt 24-piece glass food storage container set provides durable, leak-proof storage for meals, snacks, and leftovers. Made from high-quality BPA-free glass with airtight lids, it keeps food fresh longer. Oven, microwave, and dishwasher safe, these versatile containers simplify meal prep and organization. Perfect for portion control, kitchen organization, or lunch packing, this set offers a practical and stylish solution for modern kitchens, combining functionality, safety, and convenience in one complete storage system. Number 11. Rechargeable Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set, USB. Upgrade your seasoning with the Rechargeable Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. USB rechargeable and lightweight, these grinders deliver consistent, precise grinding for salt, pepper, and spices. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, while adjustable coarseness lets you tailor results for any dish. Perfect for kitchens, dining tables, or outdoor meals, this set combines convenience, style, and efficiency, ensuring fresh, flavorful seasoning every time without manual effort. Number 12. Magic Bullet 11-piece Compact Blender Set. The Magic Bullet 11-piece Compact Blender Set is perfect for smoothies, sauces, and quick meal prep. Compact yet powerful, it includes multiple cups, lids, and blades for versatile blending and storage. Its lightweight, easy-to-clean design fits any countertop or kitchen drawer. Ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or busy lifestyles, this set ensures efficient, consistent blending. Enjoy nutritious drinks and meal prep convenience with this all-in-one compact solution. Number 13. KitchenAid All-Purpose Stainless Steel Kitchen Shears. KitchenAid All-Purpose Stainless Steel Kitchen Shears offer precise cutting for poultry, herbs, vegetables, and packaging. Made from durable stainless steel with ergonomic handles, they are comfortable and long-lasting. The integrated bottle opener and nutcracker features add multifunctional utility. Perfect for everyday kitchen tasks, these shears simplify prep work while providing safety and efficiency. Dishwasher safe and built to last, they are a versatile, must-have tool for any home or professional kitchen. Number 14. Nextmug Temperature-Controlled Coffee Mug. The Nextmug Temperature-Controlled Coffee Mug keeps beverages at the perfect temperature for hours. With intuitive controls and a sleek design, it's ideal for coffee, tea, or hot chocolate at home or the office. Rechargeable and durable, it prevents overheating while maintaining flavor. Perfect for busy mornings, work desks, or travel, this smart mug combines convenience, style, and technology, ensuring your drinks stay warm and enjoyable every time. Number 15. Generic Hone Knife Sharpener for Kitchen. The generic Hone Knife Sharpener offers effortless blade sharpening for kitchen knives of all types. Its compact, ergonomic design ensures safety while delivering precise, professional quality edges. Quick and easy to use, it keeps knives efficient for cutting, slicing, and dicing. Durable and lightweight, this sharpener is suitable for home kitchens, restaurants, and culinary enthusiasts. Maintain peak performance of your knives with this essential, practical kitchen tool. Number 16. Dexter's Refrigerator Liners Washable. Dexter's refrigerator liners provide a clean, hygienic solution for protecting shelves and drawers. Made from durable, washable material, they prevent spills, stains, and odors while ensuring easy cleanup. Flexible and non-slip, they fit most fridge layouts and are reusable, reducing waste. Ideal for home kitchens or dorms, these liners maintain freshness, organization, and convenience. Simplify fridge maintenance while keeping food storage areas neat and sanitary with these practical, eco-friendly liners. Number 17. Faux Acry Magnetic Silicone Stove. Top Shelf, the Faux Acry Magnetic Silicone Stove. Top Shelf offers innovative storage for spices, utensils, and small cookware. Heat-resistant silicone ensures durability, while strong magnets securely attach to metal surfaces. This shelf maximizes counter space and improves kitchen organization, keeping essentials within easy reach. Ideal for small kitchens or busy cooking environments, it combines practicality, style, and safety. Enhance your culinary workspace while maintaining a tidy, efficient cooking area. Number 18. OXO Good Grips Corn Prep Peeler. The OXO Good Grips Corn Prep Peeler makes removing kernels quick, clean, and effortless. Its sharp stainless steel blade cuts close to the cob, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use. Dishwasher safe and durable, it's perfect for home cooks, meal prep enthusiasts, or chefs seeking convenience. Ideal for fresh corn, salads, salsas, and side dishes, this peeler delivers efficiency, precision, and safety in every kitchen task. Number 19. Spring Chef Premium Swivel Vegetable Peeler. The Spring Chef Premium Swivel Vegetable Peeler features a sharp, double-edged stainless steel blade for effortless peeling of fruits and vegetables. Its ergonomic handle provides comfort, while the swivel design adapts to different surfaces for precision. Durable and dishwasher safe, this peeler ensures safe and efficient prep work. Perfect for everyday cooking, meal prep, and professional kitchens, it combines convenience, speed, and high-quality construction for a reliable kitchen tool. Number 20. Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster Kitchenware. The Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster offers a sleek, compact design, ideal for small kitchens or countertops. With adjustable browning settings and wide slots, it perfectly toasts bread, bagels, and pastries. Durable construction and easy-to-clean crumb tray enhance convenience and longevity. Perfect for busy mornings or quick meals, this toaster combines style, functionality, and reliable performance, making it a must-have kitchen appliance for households seeking efficiency and modern design. That's a wrap on top 20 budget kitchen gadgets from Amazon that are surprisingly good. Affordable yet practical, these gadgets make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Don't wait, grab your favorites before they sell out. Hit like, subscribe, and the bell to stay updated on all the best kitchen gadgets and top Amazon deals this year.